Remove their risk. Keep your profit. Most people don't buy because of doubt, not price. And doubt lives where risk lives. You see, if you can remove that risk, you'll close more deals without changing a single thing about your offer. This isn't theory. It's one of the biggest levers in the $100 million offers playbook. So today I'm going to show you how to build a conditional guarantee that kills hesitation and how to automate it inside of HighLevel using just one funnel section and one workflow. Now, every funnel dies in the same spot, the guarantee section. You see, that's where confidence breaks. Your buyer is reading your offer, nodding along, thinking, yeah, this sounds great, but what if it doesn't work for me? And that's the moment you lose them. You see, most businesses offer skip guarantees entirely or drop in something vague like satisfaction guarantee. Vague guarantees feel like filler. Conditional guarantees, however, create certainty because the real issue isn't cost, it's confidence. So when you ask a buyer to risk their money for your promise, you're fighting their psychology. Alex Hormozi explains this perfectly in his books. Risk is the number one objection that you're dealing with. So reversing it is what converts browsers into buyers. And I've seen amazing funnels underperform, not because of weak copy, but because they never told the customer, you're safe here. So how do we fix it? Well, simple. First, you have to shift the risk from the buyer to yourself. That's called risk reversal, and it's one of the most powerful trust levers in business. You see, when done right, guarantees can 2 to 4 times your conversions. But remember, they're enhancers, not band-aids. You see, there's 4 main types of guarantees: unconditional, conditional, anti-guarantee, and implied. And each of those serves a specific purpose. But for most service-based offers, the conditional guarantee tends to be the gold standard. So here's the line if you want to use it. If you complete X, Y, and Z within 30 days and don't get your result, we'll either refund you or work for free until you do. See, that single sentence transfers confidence. You're not saying, trust me. You're saying, I've structured this so you can't lose. And here's the secret that most people miss. When fulfillment is really solid, almost no one redeems the guarantee. You see, in Hormozi's own data, out of 4,000 customers, only 2 ever claimed a bold guarantee. Guarantees aren't about refunds. They manufacture confidence. Now, let's talk about how to automate that confidence inside of HighLevel. Now, you only really need one funnel section and one workflow in order to do this. You see, in your funnel, create a simple guarantee section, a visual badge with 1 clear sentence and 3 bullet points that clarify the conditions. These bullets should spell out exactly what the client needs to do in order to qualify. Then in your workflow, start with a trigger. When a customer purchases or completes onboarding, add the tag guarantee eligible. Next, 14 days later, send a satisfaction check, either by email or by text, with 2 links. One link says, all good. If they click that, remove any needs help tag that you might have placed on their contact, and then keep them marked as guaranteed eligible otherwise. The other link says, not yet. That one needs a needs help tag. Then in your workflow, start with a trigger. When a customer purchases or completes onboarding, add the guarantee eligible tag. Next, 14 days later, send a satisfaction check, either by email or by text, with 2 links. One link says, all good. If they click that, then you remove the needs help tag and keep them marked as guarantee eligible. The other link says, not yet. That one needs a needs help tag, and it creates a task for you and your team to go ahead and follow up with them. Now, at day 21, Check again. If that needs help tag is still active, automatically book a check-in call and send them a short progress asset, something that keeps them moving forward in the process. And then finally, when they hit their result or give positive feedback, then you send a guarantee fulfilled message. Then you thank them, you show the proof of success, and you close the loop. This single automation turns your promise into a living system your buyer can actually feel working behind the scenes. And when buyers feel supported, they stop hesitating. That's why guarantees work. They don't just sit on the page. They create safety and motion. So remember this line. Guarantees enhance a good offer. They don't fix a bad product. Now let me give you a real world example. One of my clients, a local cleaning company, started adding a conditional guarantee. If you're not thrilled after your first clean, we'll re-clean for free. What's the result? A double-digit lift in conversions and near zero redemptions. See, that's the pattern you'll see again and again. So when fulfillment is tight, guarantees won't cost you. Instead, they start paying you. Now, you're not just selling your service, you're selling certainty. So the next time you tweak your funnel, don't add another bonus, add certainty. Build a promise your customers can trust and then back it up with systems that prove you mean it. Now, if you want to see exactly how to structure this inside of HighLevel, start your free 30-day trial using my starter link in the description. And I'll include my 72-hour starter pack. It has plug-and-play templates for funnels, workflows, and the exact follow-ups that we just covered. And if you want to connect with other agency builders applying these $100 million frameworks inside of HighLevel, join GHL Money Labs. That's where we share proven playbooks, we refine them, and make them work in real client environments. So here's my question to you. What's one guarantee you've seen that instantly made you trust a brand? Tell me down in the comments. I read everyone.